I am DP Singh. I am ex-army officer. My age is 76 years, and I attended this workshop in which I gained a lot. And this chakra healing and karmic healing and various other processes which I have undergone, and they were of great value, and I found they were very powerful tools, and the energy was very high. And it appears that Mumtaz ma'am is God gifted for the healing, and I felt very strong energies and raising the vibrations to a very tremendously high level, which I could feel. And there appears to be a lot of healing, and I have been advised to do this process for another 40 days, and I am sure it is going to give me a lot of benefit. With this, I thank Mumtaz ma'am and the team who has done a very good job of presenting and conducting this workshop. And in fact, I feel that after a year I would like to repeat this workshop, because when I repeat it, it will give me a better understanding of the same thing. Because one time maybe that I was not able to comprehend everything, and the level of teaching was very high, in the sense that it is the modern teaching, it is the latest what is being taught in spiritual science. Thank you.